Hello, my name is Marie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in Crafted by Corey's Minis Challenge. We'll talk more about that a little later, so with that being said, let's get started on DIY number 1. For the first DIY, these are the items needed. I picked both of these items up for $1 each at Target's Dollar Spot. From the Dollar Tree, you'll need these pumpkin picks, chalkboard tag, white marker, Spanish moss. You'll also need some green paint and a glue gun. Now I'll be painting the stems of the pumpkins green. For the chalkboard tag, I'll write the words Farm Fresh. I went over the letters several times using the metallic marker. I went ahead and hot glued this on here, and for the welcome sign, I cut a small piece of cardboard and I'll tuck this right on in. Then I'll adhere this on with some hot glue. I put in the Spanish moss, I'll add the pumpkins, and then I'll be back with the reveal. Here it is, all complete with a couple of sunflowers. It gives it a perfect pop of color. I think this turned out adorable and it's perfect for your tiered tray. So today I'm participating in Crafted by Corey's Minis Challenge. The theme for this month is fall. The host for this challenge is Corey, and I'll be sure to leave her channel link as well as a playlist for the other creators in the description box below. So please be sure to check them out, and let's continue on to the next DIY. For the next DIY, Dollar Tree items needed are this race car woodshop set, mini hay bales, pumpkin picks and leaves. You'll also need a dowel, this mini welcome sign from Target's Dollar Spot, paint, and a glue gun. From the race car set, look for these axles and wheels and then hot glue them together as shown here. Next, I'll use some Dollar Tree dog clippers to cut the dowel in 2 sizes. One piece will measure about 2.5 inches and a smaller piece at 3/4 of an inch. I will cut the longer piece in an angle. And for the smaller piece, I'll cut straight across. Then adhere both pieces together with hot glue. After you remove all the sticks from the pumpkins, you can paint their stems green. I adhered the wheels to the bottom of the wagon with some hot glue. I painted the leaves and the handle off camera. I'll adhere these on with some hot glue. This is how it looks so far. I'll add the hay bales and the pumpkins, and I'll be back with the reveal. Here's a little wagon. I added miniature leaves and acorns, and I think this added a cute touch to this fall DIY. For the last DIY, you'll need these items from the Dollar Tree: 2 woodshop helicopter sets, a crate, chalkboard tag, apples, foam beads, and a wood ruler. You'll also need some Mod Podge, various paint colors, tacky glue, miter shears, and a glue gun. For the sign, I'll use miter shears to cut 5 inches off the ruler. Use sandpaper to file down the edge. Next, I'll remove the stem using wire cutters. I didn't have the right shade of green paint, so I just mixed these 2 colors together to get a Granny Smith apple color. And you just need to paint the tops. I'll let these dry and then we'll move on to the next step. Now I'll take a bamboo skewer and I'll cut several pieces for the apples. Next, put the stick in the apple and then dip it into the paint. I'm using this cinnamon by Folk Art. I added a little bit of water to the paint and then you can let them dry on wax paper. I was inspired to make some candy and caramel apples by Jackie from Crafting in Mimi's World. I'll leave her channel link in the description box. After the apples are dried, brush on some clear glue for added shine. Now I'll go ahead and paint these. I made a basic label with my Cricut, and I'm just outlining the sign with my marker. Then I added these pumpkins to the sign. They're actually cupcake picks from the Dollar Tree. To adhere these posts, I'm adding tacky glue. I found this little tray in the Dollar Tree toy section. I'll paint it orange so it can hold the candy apples. This is how the tray turned out. I had to use a base coat of white chalk paint first and then the orange. If you can't find this tray at the Dollar Tree, they also have these and they label them as mini plates. To make the bags of popcorn, just put the foam beads in a Ziploc bag, then tie it at the top with baker's twine and then cut off the excess with scissors. I wrote the items on the chalkboard tag. I'll adhere this on the stand and I'll be back with the reveal. Here it is all completed. I think this came out adorable. I had a lot of fun creating all the items for the Fall Festival stand. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which one of these fall DIYs was your favorite. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye!